Are you living your life the way you want to? Or is your physical or emotional health keeping you from doing what you love? You're not alone, and you don't need to suffer any longer. I'm Lisa Francolini, and I'm an acupuncturist and the owner of River West Acupuncture. Many people like yourself come to see us because they don't want to be in pain. They're tired of struggling with illness or simply no longer want stress to dominate their life. Most people have no idea of how the power of acupuncture can transform their health and allow them to live life fully. At River West, we are committed to being of the highest service in supporting you and addressing your health needs. Whether you're in pain or experiencing other health-related issues, such as sleep issues, digestive issues, allergies, anxiety, we're here to help you create the best health possible for you. I invite you to come and meet with us to experience the power of acupuncture so that you can live the life you love. It's been said that your body is your temple, but only if you treat it like one. Call us today at 503-246-0103 and make an appointment to take care of yourself.